Yeah. Yeah. You're out of your fucking mind, you know that. You're all a bunch of clowns, you know that. You know. Think you know my pain? You think you know my love? Bunch of clowns. You wanna know how I see the world? I wouldn't piss on you. If you were on fire, you understand that.